Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is September 23rd, 2020. As you already can tell from our thumbnail, we're going to talk about Square and why this particular stock is still reflecting strength based off the trap. Now, if this is your first time watching our video and you see how simplistic it is in understanding that you can forecast where the trap is going to bring the value of stocks, then you definitely need to join us because it's not hard, neither is it complicated. So before you go, hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe to our channel because you should be able to learn the simplicity in forecasting and predicting where market is going to go before the market actually gets there. And this is a prime example right here in Square. Last time we did our video on Square was on August the 18th. And you can tell based off our forecast on August the 18th, we was looking for the market to go higher. We were looking at the trap and he was telling us, he was saying, well, I'm still seeing strength. I'm still trying to push the market in Square higher. And look, almost to the T, we've timed the ultimate TP price because that market traded on the 1st and then on the 2nd of September, right here at our ultimate TP price, which is around $170. 11.81% done. We saw that on the 18th of August on our video. You could go back and check it out and watch it. We beat the trap to his prime location, which in turn allows us to grant profitability and take it out of the market and place it into our account. This is just another example and situation of us doing just that. You can do the same thing. So that is done and is over. So let's get rid of it. Now, will the market in Square continue to go higher in price? Since our video on the 18th of August, can we still go higher? Because if you notice, we're still trading right there where the market was at when we did our video on the 18th of August. So from the 18th of August to today, this is the performance of the trap, right? So what occurred? Have we seen a substantial amount of weakness to the point to where the trend has changed? Because zooming out, what is the trend? Exactly, the trend is higher. So even amongst the volatility that has came through in the stock market over the last couple of days, has Square reacted negatively to it? To the point that we broke this ascending line, that we broke this trend? And the answer is no, it hasn't. So we're still on course in Square to continue to see higher price. The trap brought the value of Square to the ascending line. That's not by coincidence. Everyone sees the same thing on these price charts. So it doesn't take a technical viewpoint to understand what's going on. We've seen the trend in the market in Square that started all the way back in March 2020. So all you had to do was draw this line and expect the trap to react alongside it. And it did. Right here on the 11th and then again on the 21st of September. It reacted. So what was the reaction? The market bounced from the ascending line. Hence, lets us know that it's not that weak. That this market is Square, if anything, this is what we're going to get. More of this, to where the market in Square was just consolidating in a range from 140 to 160. Okay, if anything. But let me show you this. Looking at the market on the weekly time frame, the market in Square is going to try again to make all-time highs. Based off the market right now, this market is trying to make all-time highs. Okay. And then again on the monthly, we're still seeing instances to where the market is square. It's giving us a precursor of strength. So what are we expecting? Well, we're still seeing the market in square, reflecting to a strength. So we're going to play that out in this forecast on this video. Now, the only issue I see with the market trap bringing the value XRP, the XRP, bringing the value of square substantially higher in price to where we can see it test all-time highs is that restriction area of $160. Okay, that's the only thing that I'm seeing that can actually restrict and hold back square from going higher. So keep that in mind as the trap continues to perform in the market for square. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this real quick. We're going to go ahead and put in a forecast into the market for square of the market going higher in price. We already confirmed that $140 is support. I want to extend it up just a little bit higher to around like 143, 144. And TP, unfortunately, is going to have to be pretty close from where we're at right now, because as I stated, that 160 literally can restrict the market from going higher. So let's go ahead and we'll TP a little bit off the market there, which is about 2 3/4%. Okay, we'll grab it, we'll take it, because we understand that, you know, the trap can actually push the value of square lower once we hit that threshold. But we're still going to bring it all the way up to where we were right here on the 1st of September. Okay, so it's still about 9% market move higher in price for square. So this is our expectations and our forecast. Where's yours? What do you see square going in the next couple of weeks? I'll say 2 weeks. Where will the market be trading at in 2 weeks? This is our expectations of where we're going. Where do you see the market in square going? Now it's your turn to tell us what you see. What's your prediction and where's your TP price? And don't make it complicated. And that's it. Make sure you maintain that profitability, and we'll talk again on our next video.